Hello friends, welcome to my channel Pinto Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good. And in today's recipe, I'm going to show how to make simple green salad where you find this in every Goan occasion. It is simple and yet very delicious. And with very few ingredients, I'm going to show how to make this salad. So let's get started. In order to make the salad, I have taken cucumber, onions, tomato, cilantro, green chili, lemon, and cabbage. Here I've taken quarter of a cabbage. You can take as per your requirements. Cut it in fine julienne like as shown with the help of a knife. And remember, when you use a sharp knife, you have to be very careful. Just see the cutting of the cabbage. Once you cut the cabbage, leave it on the side. Now start cutting the tomato. Once you cut the tomato in half, remove the seeds and thin slices like as shown. Once you cut the tomato, keep it on the side, start cutting cucumber. Once you cut in quarters, then remove the seeds slightly and start to slice. Cutting should be as per your needs, like how you want. Doesn't matter. If you have more ingredients like green pepper and stuff like that, you can still use in this. Now slicing of onion, cut 1/4 and then start to slice. This is how it should be. I've taken 2 medium onion, thin slice you require. Now 1 green chili, finely chopped. Now I've taken 1, you can even use half or even use 2 as per your needs, like how spicy you want. Now it's time to chop the cilantro. Few sprigs of cilantro finely chopped and keep aside. Now once you chop all the ingredients, now it's time to make the dressing. I've taken 2 lemon, squeeze and remove the juice. Salt, a quarter tablespoon. Pepper powder, a pinch. And then sugar, 1/4 of a tablespoon. Now mix all the ingredients together. Once you mix, the salad is ready and we have to put it in a platter now, like the presentation. I'm going to show how to make a rose, simple rose with a tomato skin. Just peel the tomato like as shown with a sharp knife and you have to roll it. This is how you make the tomato rose. Guys, check how beautiful it looks. It even gives a better presentation when you place a salad on the table. This is how it should be. Arrange slices of tomato and cucumber on the side or any other vegetable which you prefer and your salad is ready. Guys, thanks for watching my video. Do try. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Share it with your friends and family and God bless you all. Thank you very much.